Niagara Falls is a collection of 3 waterfalls located in Niagara Gorge, located on the border between Ontario, Canada, and the state of New York, United States. The largest waterfall is the Canadian Falls, which forms the border between the two countries. The smaller ones, American Falls and Bridal Veil, are located in the United States. Bridal Veil Falls is separated from Canadian Falls by Goat Island and American Falls by Lunar Island, both located in the state of New York.
Flowing north as part of the Niagara River, which drains from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario, all 3 have the largest discharge in North America at over 50 meters (160 feet). During peak daytime tourist hours, more than 168,000 cubic meters of water flows per minute. The Canadian Falls are the strongest waterfalls in North America by flow rate. Niagara Falls is very famous and is a major source of hydroelectric power. Its tourism, commercial and industrial value has been a challenge since the 19th century. The falls are located 27 kilometers (17 miles) north-northwest of Buffalo, New York, and 121 kilometers (75 miles) south-southeast of Toronto, between the sister cities of Niagara Falls, Ontario, and Niagara Falls, New York. These waterfalls were created from glaciers during the late Ice Age, and the water formed the Great Lakes, carved the Niagara Slope, and empties into the Atlantic Ocean.